dun, 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 dun.
We know that Avast protects your computer, but what if all those threats could follow you wherever you go? Well, Avast will be there ahead of them. Because Avast is now available for your mobile device, and it can do all these things for you. Of course, there's real-time protection against infected apps and phishing websites. But we've also added really cool anti-theft protection. So if you lose your phone, you can easily find it wherever it is. If some monkey steals your phone, you can remotely listen to the thieves' conversation. And if the monkey is really clever and tries to change the SIM card, you will immediately be notified what the new number is. And for good measure, you can remotely set off the siren.
This phone has been lost or is stolen.
More on avast.com/Android.